Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we will be looking at Autosum function. So on previous videos, we looked at a lot of common functions that are used in Microsoft Excel widely. One of them was sum function. So Excel knows that this particular function is used so widely that they have provided one shortcut for us to do it. So initially what we did, I'll just clear it. Initially what we did, we went to formulas, then math and trick, then searched for sum, then put range. Okay, so this much tedious work I had to do, but this time what we'll do, we'll use Autosum function from Microsoft Excel. What we'll do, we'll select the cell where we want the sum, we'll go to formulas, and here capital E letter is shown, like it is a symbol for summation. We'll just click on it. So Excel took the range on its own, B3 to B7. It understood that I am trying to sum up these values, but if it doesn't take properly, so we can select on our own and hit enter. We'll do it for one more cell, enter, again Autosum, enter. But the thing with Autosum is it doesn't work every time properly, so you have to make sure that the values you have selected, the range you have selected is correct. Let me show you one example. So here if I am doing Autosum, okay, this time it has taken properly. I'll do it for one more cell. Okay, I'll do it for one more. Oops. Now you see what happens. Excel tries to look above where we are doing the calculation. If above that cells there are more than two values, it will try to autosum these values. So you have to ensure that you are not selecting those by mistake. So I'll select the range, correct range. That's it. One more shortcut I would like to tell you is through keyboard. You don't have to use mouse as well. We'll select the cell where we want to autosum. We will just press Alt equal to. That's it. That is one of the easiest ways you can do, and you don't have to do this for each cell. Alt equal to, Alt equal to. What you can do is you can just click on this small square at the corner of the cell and you can just drag it. All formulas will be copied. That is the autofill option, we can say, for copying formulas. This Alt equal to can be used in various ways. Suppose I want to sum sales of Samuel on this column, and I want to sum sales of January months on this column at a time. What I'll do, I'll select all the range and the cells where I want the results, and I'll hit Alt equal to. It has automated the experience and we have got the result. It has summed up rows here, summed up columns here, and this is the overall sales that we have got. So try it out on your own and let me know if you understood it or if there is any difficulty to understand it. Thank you very much.